Hello everyone, this is Kainat Arora and I would like to tell you that I'm coming up with my own Google Plus account. Also my own YouTube account. I think it's a great way to be in touch with my fans, where you can put couple of things where I can read about you and I can get to know you. It's a great way to know each other, and I thought it's high time where I come up with my own account. Everyone has it, so why not me? And I just wanted to know more about you. So stay in touch, keep posting, keep reading. And this is my pad, little small pad where I stay. And this is my hangout point actually, where I spend most of my time when I'm not shooting. So you can see I'm wearing my pajamas and I'm just chilling in my chappals with no makeup, nothing, and just being natural. And I thought, let me just make a nice video for my fans and my friends as well, people who love me, and I really want to know more about you so that I can love you back and give you the love which you have given me so far. And I would like to show you this place where I spend sometimes, when I come back from my shoot. This is my little balcony, and this is the little bicycle which I got from my hometown. It's a small city called Saharanpur, which is rich in wood carving. So I got this cycle from there. I like to collect little small cute things from different places. And you can see this rolling chair. This is also from my hometown, Saharanpur. And I thought, why not make it like a showpiece and keep playing with it whenever I'm free. And I love nature, I love flowers, so whenever I get time, I go to this nursery and keep collecting all the kind of flowers like vincas, roses, marigold and tulsi. But right now, since it's a rainy season going on, so you can see all the flowers have gone away. I'm missing them. Everything has been gone with the wind, and you can see it's raining outside. Only my tulsi is left. And this is a small tray which I've kept for the crows, so that I can put some food for all these birds who can come and eat here. And you can see there is this swimming pool here in my compound. So it's all greenery, it's all full of plants and beautiful accessories all over. And this is a little small lamp which I have put. And I spend most of my time in this small area. And you can see I love music, so there are some different kind of home theater pieces of different speakers, and some remote controls are there. So there is this toy, you can see I love playing with soft toys, so I've kept it here. I love collecting candles, so I have kept this entire thing here on the sides of my cabinet, my TV cabinet. And I've designed this house on my own, and I spend most of my time. Keep writing to me, keep spreading the love, be in touch with me. I would love to know more about you. I would love to tell you more about myself. I think it's a great way to be in touch with my fans, my friends, and people who love me at the same time. And keep writing. Don't forget me.